In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80240013. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to enable the airplane mode. How we can do that? Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At the settings window, I want you to proceed to the left pane. You can find network and internet. Click on it. And there you can see airplane mode or flight mode. Click on that one and then navigate to the switch. Please turn it on. Once you have done it, please wait until you'd be able to successfully enable the airplane mode. Close the window, navigate to the button search bar and type for CMD. So once you have once you have typed the CMD, you'd be able to see a command prompt system where here you need to run it as an administrator. And the moment you have run it as an administrator, I want you to copy and paste these commands. First is to stop the Windows Update service, the cryptographic service, the Barker Intelligent Transfer service, as well as the MSI server. So please copy and paste the first set of command here one by one. And then once you have done it, please proceed to the next command. Then click on the enter key. Once done, proceed to the next. And then once you have done it, I want you to start the service that you have stopped earlier. So copy and paste it here and then restart your computer and check if the error has been resolved. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.